Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. So let's get started. The things you will need is this Dove shampoo. Dove. Nothing else but Dove. So yeah, let's get started. And also you will need salt. Yeah. You can use any salt you want. But yeah, let's get started. So first you want to take your shampoo and put it in a container like this. Put it in a container like this. Sorry if they have this in the way. But yeah, and what you want to do is take a little tiny bit of salt, like this much, and put it in your shampoo and mix. So yeah, and as you can see, it's turning into slime already. And yeah, and if you have a lot of this stuff, and sorry if you hear thunder in the back and talking, and put a little bit more pinch of salt and start mixing again. So yeah, sorry if I have bad lighting over here. Let me switch to good lighting. So this might be good for you guys. And yeah, as you can see, forming into slime. So yeah, what you want to do is take your slime, put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. If you want to put it in the freezer, put it in there to 8 to 10 minutes. If you want to put it in a refrigerator, 6 to 5 hours. And yeah, so let's go put it in the freezer. So here it is in the freezer. Yeah, sorry if something in the way, but yeah, this is just some food. There is the slime. Well, thanks for watching and bye.